Hello everybody, and it's Jen, and I'm here with the ASC Design Team haul. I know I had a few in a row, and that's because I missed some of the hauls because I was trying to get all my Curiouser videos in one place. But let's talk about this haul. This is my December haul, so this is pretty close to being accurate. These little bees from Lavinia are super cute, and somebody posted a card in the Facebook group. If you're not a member of the Facebook group, it's linked down below. You have to be, because there are so many talented people. And these are called Bumble Hums, and they're just a little group of bees, and they're super cute. I got the art stickers from the Ciao Bella collections, and they are, I don't know which ones they are. This is the art image collection. I think I have I know what to do. These go with the Artist's Journey collection, and they are like transparent stickers that aren't cut. So you have to actually cut or cut around them in order to get them, you know, one at a time. But they're all the stickers that are in there, and this is a really cute artsy pack. I'm going to pull my junk journals back out and maybe make some. And then this one is from the Book Lovers collection. The Book Lovers collection was really cool, so I got that one too. I'll show you the paper. That's how big they are. And there are all the different ones. And I have been reading daily, well, listening daily, to some business books. So there is that. I also got the Stemperia snowflake stencil, which I really liked, and I want to use that maybe for some journaling cards for my project life that I plan to start this week. Let's go through. I don't know if the 8x8 and the 12x12 are the same. If they look the same, let's go through and look. So this is the An Artist's Journey collection by Ciao Bella. This is the 8x8. And on the back of the cover, we have this nice ocean scene. The ocean scenes aren't my favorite, but I am going to, where's the Outer Banks, I think, this year with a couple friends. And it's mostly going to be a scrapbooking getaway, so that'll be fun. And I do have some ocean themed stuff. I can obviously use it then. But this doesn't have to be ocean themed. It's also very artsy. Sorry, went the wrong direction. There's some paint bubbling, journaling cards, very artsy journaling cards, collage. It's a nice stripe, collage of ship pictures, and some art supplies, very nice. And then looks like some paint, more art supplies in color, whatever they're called, I don't remember. Some paint brushes. And there's the signature sheet image. And then they have a really nice, this is a textured paper. And it's almost denim-y, but it's not denim. Canvas. I bet it's canvas. That makes sense. Canvas with blue on the back. It looks like there's some different images in here, so let's go ahead and open this one up. This is the 12x12. And it has that same canvas paper. It feels silly for saying denim. It's obviously an artist canvas. Okay, this is a repeat image. That's the different paint supplies. This is an image, a repeat image, just bigger. I think I got it upside down here. Okay. Which is really nice. this is like an oil painting, and then just some books and some references. Peeled paint. And then there's some different cut-aparts. I really like the two artists there, and then the watercolor palette. This may be a good one for a pocket page. There's a bigger version of the supplies. Some cut-aparts, which is a new one. That one's not in the 8x8. I don't mind the cut-aparts at all. Canvas, backs of canvases. And cut-aparts. Journaling things. It's like a paint palette or canvas. And your color wheels, I guess they are. Color wheels or color things. And then like the ocean scene, and it's got some paint. Some thick paint up here. Again, very oil paint. I don't mind these alphabets. I usually don't like the alphabets, but I kind of like these alphabets. If you don't like the alphabets, you can always use some stuff from here. So that is an artist's journey. And then we have the book lovers, the same. I got the 8x8 and the 12x12 patterns pad. If you're wondering, that was the patterns pad for the artist's journey too. So we start on this is the back, and this is like a faux leather page. That's a really neat texture. I like this one. So my stepmom has Wayasaki in her, she has a lot of Wayasaki art, and these cats reminded me of that. So that's kind of like the main reason why I got it. Some cute, this would make a wonderful reading journal. So maybe we have to go ahead and do that. Make a reading journal mini album. I love the maroons with the browns. There, I like that shelf. We got some cut-aparts. I don't have all of the pages, but I think I have enough to make a decent sized journal. We could just leave some blank. Vintage bookshop. And then you can pair this too. So if you were going to use like the rub-ons, if you didn't want to use those in a mini album or whatever, you can use those in a junk journal or a reading journal, because they don't add bulk. And that's cute, like bookshelves with all the cats on. That's the 8x8, and now we'll do the 12x12 patterns pad. And this is in the back here you have that faux leather, which I love. I think maybe I could use it for the spine of the book. We would have to see how it does with the rest. Okay, so the big image here of a lady in a reading nook, and then some script. Just a nice little pattern, and then the butterflies on the back. I love that pattern. I like those flowers too. What are those? Pennies maybe? No, those aren't pennies. I don't know what they are. Cut-aparts. Little tags. I love this one, and I don't know why, because I'm not a big floral person, but I like the vintagey brown of it. That one's not shabby either. Cut-aparts with those flowers I like, and some butterflies. I want to say marigolds maybe. And then I love these cats. That's going to be a hard one. That's going to be a hard one to decide. Some like envelopes, and then on the back that's some cut-aparts, and these are about probably 5x5 based off of how they sit on the 12x12. And then we have this nice little image over here on the back of the cover page. Some type words, and then on the front of the cover page, yeah, we have some nice images too. And this one is opposite of this one, so you could use this bookshop and still use this lady here. So that's nice to know. All right, so there you go. That is my ASC design team haul. Not a huge one, but not too shabby either. So head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com, and we will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.